3 things I've learned from studying and interviewing hundreds of millionaires the past decade. Almost anyone can be a millionaire. 99.9% of the population can become a millionaire. I just know this. The notion of becoming a millionaire isn't limited to a chosen few or particular pedigree. I've seen firsthand that individuals from diverse backgrounds, cultures, and education levels can amass wealth. It's about harnessing opportunities, relentless dedication, and intelligent financial decisions. It can be taught. This is another thing. So I think most of us can become millionaires, and also that it can be taught. This is the number one thing for me. This is like my favorite part of it. The skill of becoming a millionaire can absolutely be taught. There's a systemic approach to wealth accumulation. Throughout my interviews, I've watched patterns emerge, revealing that many millionaires have followed replicable strategies. Everybody's going to have a unique journey, but there are foundational principles and they remain consistent. It's not about having some safeguarded secret. It's a skill set that can be broken down, learned, practiced, and then mastered. And the number 3 thing is probably the most important thing for you is that millionaires have figured out how to prioritize value over price, whether it's their own value or something else is value over price. This is about thinking long-term, decades, not quarters, like I said. Getting yourself in a position to be paid not for your time. Listen to me if you're still with me. Not for your time, but type it into the Q&A. Finish the sentence for you. Not for your time, but for your very existence. I put that in pink. It's the only pink in 9 pages because that's what it comes down to. For you to be getting paid not for your time, but for the very fact that you exist is what will make you a millionaire. And of course, calculating risk quickly, being able to take outside risk, and staying in the game long enough to outlast your critics. It's not about copying my journey or anyone else's, but understanding the underlying principles that drive success. Let me know in the Q&A if this has helped you today. This mindset shift, and let me know in the comments if you're watching the replay. Let me know in the comments. This mindset shift from viewing wealth as unattainable to recognizing it is a logical outcome of learned skills, informed decisions, and persistent effort. Challenge the preconceived notions you may hold about wealth and restart your journey informed, empowered, and purposeful. I'm going to go back to one more thing before I go. Okay? Getting yourself in a position to be paid not for your time, but for your very existence. Thank you for saying this has been so helpful. I appreciate you. Calculating risk quickly while being willing to take outsized risk and staying, please hear me, hear me. Staying in the game long enough to outlast all your critics. Let me know if that one hit you like it hit me.